This is 6 inches.
So this is Chris and Dave, and they are looking to tear up our floor. Okay, I'm hoping that they're going to be a lot more careful than that.
So this and the other photos.
Amber and I are going to take off to Dave's office, the shelter, while they're working on this. Okay, does this look familiar to anyone? Not unless you're Dave or Chris. This is the bottom, the underneath of our floor. So let's see what it looks like. Wow. Dave's new bed. And our former table.
And the floor.
And the floor that will go back on there. Stay tuned for the finale.
And I think that's how the floor chipped when we were getting it out. Just as solid as it was yesterday.
Excellent. Nice. Nice.
The fill and the overflow and breather tubes didn't have near enough capacity.
So what are you talking about? What were you pointing at down there?
Filled up and put wider, make sure it gets wetted down good.
That's
Right
all
now,
good.
we just took this out. We're trying to get it to later.
Awesome. Thanks, Dave. Thanks, Chris.